Hello everyone. Today we are going to see Akrivia HCM on-campus placement questions that was held on 28th September 2024 10 to 12 LPA. In my previous video I have did on the same campus Akrivia HCM which was held on 19th September 2024. Now let us go into the questions. They are given 4 coding questions in 75 minutes in any of the language you are preferred with. Okay, coming to the first question. Remove the minimum number of characters so that two strings becomes anagram. Okay, they have given two strings in lowercase and the task is to make them anagram. They are allowed the only allowed operation is to remove a character from any string. Find the minimum number of characters to be deleted to make both strings anagram. What is anagram? If two strings contains the same data set in any order, then the strings are called as anagrams. Okay, I hope you understand what is anagram is. Now let us look into the question. You can understand in a better way if you see the example. See, you are given with string 1 and string 2. What should you have to do means you should remove the minimum number of characters in any of the strings or both the strings in order to make the two strings as anagrams. See, the common elements in these two, the common characters in these two are HEA. Okay, HEA. Now the different elements in the which are not common are B, C, D. Now you should remove the B, C, D characters from str1 in order to make them anagrams. So the number of minimum characters removed are 3. That is the output. Now coming to the example 2. The common characters in both of these two strings are G, C, D. Okay, now you should remove the different elements which are not common. The different elements which are not common are D and G, as this is the duplicate element. D is duplicate element, but you should require only one D, so you should remove another D. Okay, D and G are removed. The minimum characters removed are 2. Okay, this is the example with 2. If they both are equal, you should return 0, as there are no minimum elements to remove. Okay, that is the thing with the first question. And this is the code. I have compiled it in an online platform. It has run successfully. And you can also see the output over here. The code starts from, this is the main function. This is the main code. You are given with string 1 and string 2 and you are calling the function anagram by giving input of str1 and str2. Here the function that is called. You are initialized two arrays with the size of 26, count 1 and count 2. Now what you should have to do means you should save the count of each element in these arrays. For string 1 you should save the count of each element in count 1 array. For string 2 you should store the count of each element in count 2 array. For this you are running a for loop and traveling the entire string length, and you are storing the count of each character that has occurred in string 1 in the count 1 array. Now now I will explain the logic behind this storing. And the same thing is with str2 also. You are traveling entire string str2 length and you are storing each character frequency in str2, the number of occurrence of each character in str2. Okay, how you are storing that means, see, you have initialized the count 1 array with 26 length. That means A to Z, that is the length of an alphabet, and you are initialized the count array with 0. Okay, now you are traveling entire string length. Now the pointer is at B. Now what is the thing here? If you see once, wait. Okay, see over here. sorry. See over here, count 1 of str1 dot caret of 5 minus a plus plus. What you are doing means, in count 1 array you are accessing the index value. What is the index value? Str1 dot caret of I means b. Okay, b. Okay, you are not, this is the not the thing b, this is the ASCII value of b. ASCII value of b minus ASCII value of a, then it will give the index number. ASCII value of b is what? 98. 98 minus ASCII value of a is what? 97. 98 minus 97 gives rise to 1. Count 1, count of 1, that means count 1 array index 1. In that, what is there? 0. That you are incrementing 0 to 1, you are incrementing the frequency count. Now see this, see what you are doing inside means b. First b minus a, that is what? ASCII value of b, 98 minus 97, that is 1. That is the index value of count 1 array. The index value is 1, you are incrementing 0 to 1, incrementing, that is the thing happening over there. Again I plus plus, c minus a, 99 minus 97 gives rise to 2. Now you are accessing the second index of count 1 and you are incrementing the count which is there inside it. Initially it is initialized with 0 and you are incrementing the count. In this way you are storing the count of each character in the count 1 array. The logic behind is this: you are accessing the ASCII value of each character and you are subtracting with ASCII value of a, so that you can access the count 1 index and you are incrementing the thing inside in it, that is 0 to 1. So you are storing in such a way the count. Okay, I hope you got it. In the same procedure with the string 2 also. Now here you are traveling the entire string 2 length, and h minus a, that is 104 minus 97 gives rise to 7. You are accessing the 7th index of count 2 and you are incrementing the 1. H initially with 0 and it is incremented to 1. So E1, A1, like this way you are incrementing the count. Okay, in this way the count has stored. Now how can you find the different elements that is present which are not common means, now you has to use the function math.abs function. See, you are initialized with result with 0, result plus math.abs count 1 of I minus count 2 of I means, here you are given with the count of each index value and you are given the count of each index value from count to array. By subtracting these two, similar elements 1 minus 1, a, both a is common in these two, so it gives rise to 0. Okay, the common elements will neglected and the different elements are with 1, so their addition gives rise to 3. That is the count of different elements what you should remove. Okay, this is the good logic to be followed. If you want this, have a screenshot for this, and if you can't understand the explanation, then you can access this question in Geeks for Geeks. It is freely available. Please have a look. If please don't mind if you don't understand the explanation. Okay, that is the thing with the first question. Second question, find a pair with the given difference. That is the question number 2. You are given an unsorted array and a number n. Find if there exists a pair of elements in an array whose difference is n. Okay, you are given with an array and you are given a target sum 78. Okay, this is the input, and what you should find means, you should find any two elements in the array so that their difference gives rise to 78. Okay, I hope you understand. See, 80 minus 2, what it gives? 78. That is the thing you should return. And here there is no element exists, there is no pair exists which whose difference is 45, so you should return no such pair exists. You can get a better understanding when you see the code and the logic. And for this sum, you should use the hash map only. Please don't use inner for loops, because in exam I have tried many times. By using the inner for loop, the thing is that you are getting time exceeded. So you should use the hash map, it helps you. Please don't use inner for loop because it is exceeding the given limit of time. And the logic or is, please listen. uh, you first initialize the hash map. Okay, now travel the entire given array. If the element is present in hash map, please increment the count. If it doesn't exist in the hash map, just push the element and make the count with 1. Okay, 1 is not initially the hash map with no elements, and traveling the entire array. 1 is not present in the hash map, just push it and make the count 1. 8 is not present, 30 is not present, push all these elements and make the count 1. For suppose if again there is a duplicate element 100, then you should not again push the 100 into it, just increment the count to 2. Okay, if there exists a duplicate elements. That is the thing with the second question. You should first initialize and you should push the elements if they are not present, and make the count to 1. If they are exists already, may increment the count. Okay, now you are given a target sum n. Now what you should do means, again you should travel the for loop n plus this see the code, then you can understand. See, you are given with array of elements and the target sum 60 plus 60 plus 1, what it gives, 59. Okay, 59. Is there element 59? So there is no such pair that exists. Okay, I plus plus 8 minus 60, 8 minus 60, what it gives, 52, I think so. It doesn't exist. Again I plus plus 30 minus 60, 30. There is no another 30 exists, so so it doesn't exist in the hash map. 60 minus 40, what it gives, 20. There is no element 20. 100 minus 60, 40. Yes, there exists a 40, so you should return the element pairs 40 comma 100, which gives this target sum. That is the thing with this hash map. N plus array of element, if it consists in this hash map, then you should return that pair. Otherwise you should say there is no such pair exists. If you want this question, if this want this program, please have a screenshot. It is compiled successfully in online compiler, and you can access this question too in Geeks for Geeks. It is available. Have a screenshot and search for it, you can get. Coming to the third question, see, I have searched in several platforms but I couldn't get, so I have prepared for myself this question. You are given a string ABC, and what you should do means, you should print like this. See, A B C. Again, then you should leave A and you should start with B C. Then you should leave B also and you should give the C. This is the output you should give. This is the thing with the third question. If you find this question in any of the platform, or you are successfully compiled with this question, then please put it on the comment section so your friends and your juniors can access it and they can learn too. That is the thing with third question. Now coming to the fourth question. Bharat is an choco-alcoholic. He found a chocolate factory of n floors, but the factory has n to n rooms, where in each room specific number of chocolate is present. Okay, now Bharat starts collecting chocolate from the ground floor. He can only collect chocolate from the room in a floor. Bharat can only move to upper room or upper right room or upper left room. He want to collect the maximum number of chocolate possible. Help him finding the maximum number of chocolates. First line consists of n value, that is matrix, n into n matrix, and next n line consists of integers, integers, and output you should give the maximum number of chocolates that Bharat have collected. You can get a clear idea when you see an example. See, this is the n value, that is matrix, n into n matrix, and this is the n into n matrix, and the numbers denotes the number number of chocolates in each floor. What you should return means the number of chocolates he can collect, and the condition is that he can only access only one floor. So coming to this floor, it has maximum number of chocolates. Please return the count of this row. 100 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 gives rise to 114. So this is the output, the maximum number of chocolates he could collect. For this question they have used the dynamic programming, so that you can do this problem. If you use any other method, you are getting out of time error something. So please use dynamic programming. Okay, I have run this code also. Please take the help of ChatGPT, so you can get the correct output, and see it has compiled successfully and it has given output also. This is the complete code. Have a screenshot for this and prepare for it. This is the thing with the fourth question. I hope you understand. If you don't understand, please have a screenshot of these questions and search it in Chrome or ChatGPT. It will give a better explanation than me. If you understand, thank you. That is the thing. If you find any mistakes, please comment so that I can rectify those mistakes. And if you find any answers or solutions, please put it on comment section, so that your friends can access and they can learn too. And the third question I couldn't find in any of the platform. If you find it, please put it on the comment section. Okay, I hope you got it. If you don't, please search it in Geek for Geeks. Two questions are available in Geeks for Geeks. Third question is fourth question in some platform, I think so. Third question I couldn't get. Okay. Actually, this company has segregated the how they have shortlisted the students means based on the CGPA. Top 100 students are shortlisted for this first round of coding. So for the juniors, the advice is that make sure your CGPA won't get down below the 9, because the Akrivia has selected top 100 students based on the CGPA. That is the advice from me for the juniors. I hope you will do well. Thank you. Thank you.